Hey guys, this is Mr. X here back again with another video. Welcome to an N-Mapp of beginner. So this is going to be a continuous and ethical hacking course. Now what is N-Mapp? Well, basically N-Mapp is a footprinting tool or reconnaissance tool. Now I had already explained this is in the first class, the first ethical hacking class, and this is the basically first step of hacking where you are actually find information about the target or the IP or the website. So basically N-Mapp is a footprinting tool that get more information about the target or IP or website. In my opinion, I think N-Mapp is must have for any pen tester or ethical hacker or scrapper for that matter. So basically N-Mapp is available on almost all platforms. All you have to do just to go to the website and just going to open N-Mapp here. It's nmap.org. That's the website. Is a free software, so you can download it. As you can see here, available for Linux, Windows and Mac OS, etc. Now download the zip file for the Windows user. You can make install by clicking next. This is a pretty installation in Windows. You can actually install in Linux and Windows and Mac also. In Linux it is pre-installed N-Mapp. So the two way you can about launching it on Windows, I think just have to run nmap command in the command prompt such as Linux. This is the exe file if you download for a Windows user, and then if you are a Linux user, go to the terminal and type nmap. You can see some scripts running and helping commands. These are the options while we are scanning the network or website. Some of the important scans are -sv, -pn, something sn, -ss. These are the scan techniques. -so. These are some pretty options that we can use in N-Mapp. So that real charm of using N-Mapp is not just scanning a server or site or an IP address for that matter. It's how do you perform it anonymously or very quickly so that you are not detected. I'm going to that very soon. So just make sure that you don't do anything illegal. I mean, this is the only educational purpose. So yeah, so let's get to the next part. Alright, you can see some of the examples here. nmap -b -a scanmap scanme.nmap.org. -b means web host. You can see some of them. You can run nmap -h. It lists out the options that we use in nmap. -a means aggressive, -sn means scan. Some of the pretty options are in the nmap. You can use one by one. So you have these are the options. Now before we get into that map, basically use a free testing scanning machine where they allow you to scan this scanme.nmap.org the web address for the this is only for educational purpose. So you can see here, you can copy that scanme.org and then paste it here. It runs what are the ports are opens or TCP/80 are opened, FTP. These are some ports are opened in this website. So next go to major IP blocks. This is the list of major IP blocks are allotted for each country. Every country has some of the major blocks. So I can choose India. From IP to IP, which means source to destination. From one source to one destination. Let me choose one IP. Okay, 27248. Copy this. After choosing that, we want to gather some information about this IP. So get to this whois lookup, this website. This is the information gathering website. Which one I mostly prefer, pentester or bug bounty. or scrapper. They are always went these website whois lookup and gather some information about the target a particular website. Paste this IP and search. You can see some of the informations about this target: IP location, whois server, and the IP address. And you can see the person's name Rajesh Madesh Shetty, okay, and the email Rajesh Madan at asl.co.in. These are some stuffs you can scan by putting the IP address in the whois lookup. And you can also search by different way by viewing is whois and paste that IP. In the first link you can click it. Yeah, this also shows some information about the particular target IP address and its location, longitude and magnitude. Status, okay, whois data, update whois data. Reverse DNS is not valid. Okay, some of the informations are given on this website. Okay, let me go to close all these tabs up. Let me clear this. Once again I run N-Mapp. So as you can see that the N-Mapp installation of internet connection is working properly. So you are authorized to scan these machines with the N-Mapp port scanners. Try not to harm on the servers too hard. A few scans a day is fine, but do not scan 100 times a day. Use this site to test your SSH brute force password cracking tool. So basically they are giving you permission to scan this, which is this website. What I was going to say, you need written permission to scan any IP address, any website or any server. So that's why I want to just put out. So we are going to use some of the example during the end of map tutorial. And run again nslookup scan me.nmap.org. Okay, in source name and the address value. Some of the information is non-authority answers. Okay, so this is the bit of advanced tutorial, but basically you can get information about an IP using whois command, which brings me to the second part of what I want to say about the whois and IP address. The search engine are your best friend when it comes to looking, when it comes to reconnaissance or footprinting. You can really use these websites advantage of you gathering the particular target of credential information. One or more command I want to show that's really not linked on the N-Mapp, but it's also important for scanning a reconnaissance is the nslookup. You can run nslookup by typing nslookup that scanme.org. You can also save that file by giving that output.txt in format or text to format. You can also view it in text to format. So I just want to give up a quick dip of nslookup. So running of lots of scans and you want to save them document file. So I'm going to end this tutorial, and then you can see next tutorial. I will explain lots of nmap tutorial and metasploit tutorial, and you can keep on saving them in here, and it's just going to do if you are automatically. So this is basically I wanted to explain on you for this tutorial. There's a lot of N-Mapp tutorial and Metasploit tutorial, so I'm waiting in this channel. If you are like this video, hit a like button and share, subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's see the next videos. Bye.